Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Sajid and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn with Muhammad Sajid. I say welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's video we are going to solve questions of exercise 5.3, and in this exercise there are questions relating to Zakat and Ushar. Zakat and Ushar both are monetary worships in Islam. Monetary means one has to pay money. So zakat is paid on a money which you have as savings for a year. Means it is paid after a year, yearly, yes, payment, and it is given to poor. And in Islamic country, it is collected by government. Whereas Ushar paid rate for zakat is 2.5%, and rate of Ushar is 5% and 10%. 5% is on those lands which are irrigated by artificial sources like canals or dams, and 10% on lands which are irrigated with natural sources like rain, springs, etc. And I am going to move towards first question. It is Asma's savings are rupees 78,480 for a year. How much zakat will she pay? Amount of zakat we have to find. I am moving towards its solution. Yes, on whiteboards I have written what we are given in this question. Number 1, we are given Asma's yearly saving which is rupees 78,480, and amount of zakat we have to find. I am moving towards its solution, and in solution we will begin with the formula to find the amount of zakat. Amount of zakat is equal to rate multiplied by savings. It is fixed in Islam that rate of zakat is 2.5%. Percent mean out of 100, and saving is given over here which is 78,480. Just we will simplify in next step. 2.500 multiplied by 78,480. So to remove this decimal we will write 1, and in place of this 5 we will write 0. So now this is 25, not 2.5. One decimal is not here. So we can cut this 25 by 5 and this 10 by 2, means 5 5 are 25, 2 5 are 10. So 5, this 5 is 1 and 25s are 100. So we have these two amounts. So we will multiply this with this and this. So at the end we will get the, we can cut this 0 with this, and we can apply the table of 2 here. 2 1 is, and this 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4, and 4 2s are 8. Again there is 2, and we can cut it here. This is 1 2s are 19, 9 2s are 18, this is 12, 6 2s are 12, and this is 4 2. So we can say here that rupees 1,962 is the amount of zakat. This is our answer. Moving towards question number 2. Hassan paid rupees 7,750 as zakat. What were his yearly saving? So here amount of zakat is known. We have to find yearly saving. As in this question yearly savings are given, but in this question yearly savings are not given. So moving towards its solution. We are here in question number 2, and what we are given in this question, amount of zakat which is rupees 7,750, and yearly savings we have to find. Moving towards its solution. As we don't know what is yearly saving, we are going to find yearly saving. So in solution we will write let yearly saving is equal to x, and now according to the condition or according to the formula, we can say formula says that the amount of zakat is equal to rate multiplied by savings or incomes, saving, yearly saving. So, putting values, we can turn over the sides of this equation. X into 2.5 divided by 100 is equal to 50. So as we have to find the value of x, to find the value of x, everything which is on the left hand side except x we have to remove, and first we will try to remove this 2.5. This can be removed by division. So 2.5 we have written here, so we have to write 2.5 on the both sides because of this condition as the condition of equality. So here 100, we can multiply 100 here, and we have to multiply 100 on the left hand side, right hand side. So this 2.5 we can cut here, this 100 we can cut here. So x is only here and these two amounts. So in place of this 0.5 we can write here 10. So now this point has been removed. So 2 5 are 10, 5 5 are 5, 1 is 25. Now we will multiply this amount with these two one by one. I have written this amount 7750 and 20. I am going to multiply here. In place of this 0, now 2 0, 2 5 are 10, 2 7s are 14 and 1 15, 2 7s are 14 and 1 15. Now we will multiply this 2 with this amount. Yes, 2 0, 2 0, 2 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10 and 1 11, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. So this is 310,000. We will write it here. Amount 3. It is yearly income, yearly savings, which we have given the name of X. So it is rupees 31000. This is the answer. Yes, in question number 3, Mr. Akram pays rupees 20,000 as zakat. Find his annual income. Here again we see that amount of zakat is given, and yearly saving or annual saving. Yes, annual saving we have to find. And on whiteboards I have written what we are given. We are given one thing which is amount of zakat, which is rupees 20,000, and next thing we have to find which is annual saving or yearly saving. So moving towards solution, in solution first we will assume that annual saving is equal to X, and now according to the condition or according to the formula, or we can say according to the formula is amount of zakat is equal to rate multiplied by annual saving or saving. Okay, as amount of zakat we have given, which is 20,000, putting values amount of zakat, and rate we understand that rate for zakat is 2.5%, and saving, we don't know. In place of saving, we will write x. Simply we will turn over x to the left side, and x multiplied by 2.5 over 100 is equal to 20,000. Now, as 100 is being divided, we will multiply 100 here, and we will multiply 100 on this side, and 2.5 is being multiplied, we will divide 2.5 on this side, and we will divide 2.5 on this side. So this 100 is cut off, this 2.5 is cut off with 2. Now we are left with these three amounts, and to remove this decimal, we will write 1 and 0. Now this decimal is not here, now it has become 25. So we will write it, or we will try to simplify. 2 5s are 5 5s are, and 5 1 and 25. Now nothing is in denominator, we will just multiply 2 20 and 20,000, 1020 here, and going to multiply. In place of this 0, we will write 0 here, and we will multiply with 2, and 2 will when 2 will be multiplied, so with 0 we will get 0, and 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 2s are 4. Yes, this is 40,000, and now we will multiply with this 2, and we will get 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 5, and 2 4s are 8. X is 800,000. 800. 1 2 3, yes, 30. 8, x is 800,000, and what is x? X is the saving. We can say x is saving. So this is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4. If Mr. Salman earned rupees 224,000 by selling a rice crop and paid Ushr at the rate of 5%, what amount did he pay as Ushr? I have written what we are given in question number 4. Earned from rice crop, which is rupees 224,000, and rate for Ushr 5%. Amount of Ushr we have to find. To find amount of Ushr, we will write formula. Formula is as amount is equal to rate multiplied by amount earned. And we know the rate is given, which is 5%, and amount earned is this 224,000. We will cut off these 20 with these 20. Now 5 will be multiplied by this, and we can multiply 5. 1 1 2 0, and this is answer. Here in question number 5, what we are given, one is selling price of mangoes rupees 66,000, and rate of Ushr, it is 10%. Amount of Ushr we have to find. Amount of Ushr. Moving towards its solution, Ushr is equal to rate, and selling price, or yes, here we can say selling price. Yes, selling price of mangoes. So rate is given, which is 10%, and selling price of mangoes, which is 66,000. So next price, yes, we can cut these two zero here, and if we multiply by this, so only zero will be added. Multiply this with this, zero will be added here. So this is amount of Ushr in rupees, and this is answer of this question number 5. Yes, I am going to read question number 6. Madia's annual savings are rupees 180,000. What is the amount of zakat to be paid by her? So annual saving is given, which is, and amount of zakat we have to find. Here you can see we are given annual saving and amount of zakat we have to find. Amount of zakat. Moving towards its solution, and we will write formula in the beginning. Formula for amount of zakat, we can say amount of zakat is equal to saving. So rate is given, understood. What is the rate of zakat? It is 2.5%, and amount for annual saving 180,000. Yes, to remove this decimal, we will write 1 and 0, and we will put multiplication symbol. Now we can say that 2 5s are and 5 5s are. We can cut these two 0 with these two 0, and this is 2 9s are 18, this 0 and this 0 will. So 5 and 900 will be multiplied. 50 50 5 9s are 45 rupees. This is amount of zakat, and this is the answer. I am going to read question number 7. The amount of Ushr paid is rupees 17,670 by a farmer at the rate of 10%. What is the total amount for which the Ushr has been paid? So the amount of Ushr is given, which is 17,600, and rate for Ushr is 10%. So what is the total amount for which the Ushr has been paid? So the total amount we have to find. Before we move towards formula, let assume the total earning as X. Let earning is equal to X of Ushr is equal to rate multiplied by earnings. Total earnings, EARNING. So amount of Ushr is given here. We will write here amount of Ushr, which is 17,600, and rate is also given, which is 10%. 10%. And total earning, we don't know. We will write in place of total earning the figure X. So we will turn over the equation. X into 10 by 100 is equal to 17,600. So 100 is being divided, we will multiply it. On both sides we will multiply 100, and 10 is multiplied, and we will divide 10 on both sides. 10. So this 10 will be cut off with this, and 100 will be cut off this, and this 0 will be cut off with this. So when we multiply this both these amounts, we will get 17,600 and 0. So rupees, this is x, and we can say x is the total amount, and this is the answer of question number 8. And calculate the amount payable as Ushr by a farmer who earned rupees 346,000 if the rate of Ushr is 5%. So the amount of Ushr we have to calculate, means we have to find total earning of the farmer is given, which is 346,000, and rate of Ushr is given. We are given total earning, which is 346,000. Rate for Ushr is 5%. Amount of Ushr we have to find, and the formula for finding the amount of Ushr, multiplied by earnings, or we can say total earnings. Rate, which is 5%, and total earning is 34600. So we will simplify by cutting these two zero with these two zero, and we will multiply 5 with this, and we will get 5 6 are 30 0. So 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3 23. We will write 3 here, and 5 3s are 15, 15 and 2 17. We will write 17. So the amount of Ushr is 17,300, and this is the answer. In the end, I would like to say thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. Subscribe for more lessons. Learn with Muhammad Sajid.